They have to, because new innovation is done typically in universities. Universities have the wherewithal to test, to try different things. And companies collaborating with universities is the best combination, because that's where they get the talent. They get the ideas, they get the talent, they get new thought process. So I think definitely companies will have to collaborate. In fact, in my country, most universities are in partnership with companies. And I think that's also the case in the US. That's the way it works hand in glove. See, as I said this morning, I think a lot of us are doing research without thinking where we're going to use it. So if you saw the last part of my presentation, and I said that there is a tool today called PopinNow, POPINNOW.com. It helps you to be more relevant. It helps you to decide what you want to develop, for whom you want to develop, who are going to be your mentors, who is going to be your market, which industry is going to fund you. All this, I cannot develop a tool or an application or a product without keeping all this in mind, because I cannot make it for myself. I'm making it to make money, to sell it, to get a venture capital inside it. So if I don't make it with all these people together, it's no use. It's like when you are running a family, you want to cook food, you want to ask your family what they want to eat, right? If you just make for yourself, they will not eat. So I think we all need to understand the ecosystem. Who are all the stakeholders? The stakeholders are the ones I mentioned. They have to be kept in cognizance. They have to be consulted and participated when you're doing this. If you have the right product for the right audience, you cannot go wrong. So the factors are, so if I'm an investor, in case I'm an investor, I want to see that what you've developed, has it got customers? So have the customers liked what you're making? Number two, do you have the team to make it? So it's not that if I invest tomorrow and then you go and build the team, and if you don't get the team, what happens to my money? So do you have the team? Do you have customers? Do you have the product at some stage to demonstrate? If those three are met, I think investors are looking for products. Today the investors need inventors as much as the inventors need investors. They've got the funds and they need to deploy the funds. So I think you just need to get the combination right, that's all.